Once you decide that everything will work out in your favor, it does. High flyers, have you ever noticed that there are certain people that have this inner belief system, this certain charisma, this certain energy about them, confidence, call it what you will, that they believe that no matter what is going on in their life, it will work out for them in their favor. And it usually does. This is really talking about the law of attraction at a core level because the cornerstone of it all is what we believe we achieve. It's as simple as that. I mean, it's a simple statement, but it makes perfect sense. You see, we are creators. You know, all of the religious scriptures say that we were created in the image of God. What does that mean? Does God look like me or you or someone else? No. It means that God is creative energy. God is creative force, the creator of the universe, the heavens, the stars, the sky. And you are creator within your universe. You have the same ability because the divine force flows through you, around you, and out of you. And that's important to understand. Hi, I'm Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we're soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, isn't it about time that you take your life to the next level, that you fix your relationship, that you save your marriage, that you attract more money, that you feel better with more vibrancy than ever before? I want you to claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Visit me at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Look, we've helped people in 60 different countries. I know we can help you too. The money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend on. Lawofattractionsolutions.com. Today, high flyers, I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful manifestation secrets I have ever learned. So, high flyers, there is a deep truth that underlines the entire universe, the entire manifesting universe, whether it's your relationship or your specific person or getting a phone call or making more money, whatever it is, everything changes the moment you make one decision. And that decision is that everything is working out in your favor. It's working out in your favor right now, not someday, not tomorrow, not a week from now, not 5 years from now, today, right now. Not after you receive the raise that you've been promised at work, not after your specific person texts you or calls you, not after the doctor gives you a clean bill of health. No, 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 no. Not after those events. It's working out right now, this very moment, in your favor. That's the decision I'm asking you to make, that everything, no matter what you're going through, you may be going through a lot. And I know some of you that watch this are in great amounts of pain. I understand that. I want you to accept that everything is working out in your favor once you believe it is. Go a little deeper once you know it is. You see, most people keep replaying yesterday's story. They keep going through mistakes that they've made or feeling bad about things they've done or said. And they're always trying to fix the past. What I'm asking you to do right now is forgive yourself. Let the past go. Forgive those in your past that have hurt you. Let them go and focus right now where you're at, this very moment. You can make a new decision right now. You can decide this very moment, that your marriage is being renewed, that the two of you are falling deeper in love than ever before. You can decide right now that your specific person, that your soulmate, your twin flame, is in the process of texting you or calling you or reaching out to you. You can decide right now that money is too damn easy to make. Whatever you're going through, a court case, you can decide right now that no matter how bleak your attorney says it is, everything is now moving in your favor. You can decide right now that your current health challenge is only a detour to a more vibrant, healthy lifestyle. Everything begins with an inner decision, and your reality is dripping right now with opportunity. It's filling up in ways that you can't even imagine. Your life is expanding and exploding in wonderful ways because right now you've made a decision that everything is working out in your favor. Wayne Dyer often reminds us that when we change our perception, our world begins to change. I believe that's because the universe responds to who we become, not merely what we ask for. So, how do you convince yourself that everything is working out in your favor? Well, step one, make the decision right now, even before you have the evidence, even before anything is showing up in the 3D world. Make the decision first that everything is working out in your favor. Simply say this affirmation and mean it. I have decided that everything is working out in my favor. Don't argue with it. Don't debate it. Don't question it. Just act on it. Step two, borrow feelings from your future. You see, you're spending all of your time borrowing feelings from your past, whether it's an hour ago, a week ago, a year ago. Start borrowing feelings from your future. So close your eyes for just a moment and imagine yourself waking up 6 months from today. The relationship is healed. The two of you are more in love than ever before. Money is flowing into your life. There's money in the bank. Your health has improved. You feel more energy than you've ever felt. The phone call came when you wanted it to come. The opportunities keep showing up and keep arriving. Even opportunities you didn't know were opportunities are showing up in your life. So, how would that version of you feel 6 months from today? Focus on those feelings. Not 6 months ago, 6 months into the future. Project into the future the reality that you desire, the timeline that you are now living, and steal those feelings and apply them to yourself. Let them sink deep within you. Embellish them, embrace these feelings. And you see, you're really not pretending. You're simply becoming the person that you are preparing to be. Bottom line is, high flyers, energy always moves in the direction that your vibration points. If your vibration points to love and joy and happiness and fulfillment, that's what the universe generates in your life. Get it? Step three, live like the universe is already rearranging everything. So throughout the day, when fear may show up, you may feel some anxiety, you may feel some fear. Ask yourself this question. I'll put it up on the screen for you. You might want to write it down. If I truly believed everything was working out in my favor, what would I think right now? Wow. If you truly believed everything was working out in your favor, what would you believe right now? You'd believe that you have the power to attract the life you desire, whatever that is. You'd believe it and you would know it and you would live your life accordingly. So, right now, I want you to type down below the word smile. Type the word smile in all caps. And I want everyone to do this. Type the word smile. The more of us that do this, the more energy we generate. Because I want you to smile like it's already happened. I want you to smile when you wake up in the morning. I want you to smile at yourself in the mirror. I want you to smile at strangers. I want you to smile at your grumpy husband or wife. I want you to smile at your boss. I want you to smile because your life has already changed. Smile. So, what's going to happen is little by little, your outer world is going to catch up with your inner decision. That's what's going on right now. You see, you don't manifest because you're lucky. You manifest because you've made a decision and your inner reality aligns with the outer world. In other words, the outer world is merely a reflection of your inner reality. And high flyers, it all begins with one decision. Decide that everything is working out in your favor. Whatever you're going through, it's working out in your favor right now. There's one other thing you can do. Trust yourself. Attract the money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness you depend on and deserve. Attract them. Attract. Bring it into your life. The power is within you. It's not out there. It's right here. Right here. I'm excited for you. Decide this, and everything changes. Decide it. What are you going to decide? That everything works out in your favor, that it will work out, that it is working out, that it has worked out. Okay, look, you may want to reprogram a little bit your subconscious mind to get your subconscious working in alignment with your conscious goals and dreams. That's why I created miraclehypnosisonline.com. I want you to go there, try it for 3 days free on me. Just try it. That's all you have to do. Give it a shot. There's hundreds of miracle programs in there that will help you with so many different aspects of your life, from confidence to attracting money to losing weight to attracting your specific person. It's all there. Okay. Miraclehypnosisonline.com. Okay. You have a great day because you've made a decision that everything is working out in your favor. Bye bye now.